like I said, this topic is a series. Now we have a lot of properties we want to look at to aid or to solve a lot of questions on this. So now we want to look at Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse side of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Remember, before we went on that short break, you saw how I drew a right angle triangle. Okay, good. Whereby by now you are familiar with the opposite side for the fact that the theta is facing this side, this is the longest side, hypotenuse and the remaining side adjacent. Okay, so at this point, how do we obtain Pythagoras theorem? So I must level the remaining the three sides. This capital A represents an angle, and the corresponding side is a small a. The same thing with this one. This is capital C. Corresponding side is small c. Okay, now look at the Pythagoras theorem. This is the adjacent side and the hypotenuse side, rather. We say that the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Meaning that if I'm to obtain c, in this case, c will be equal to the square root of b squared plus a squared. Now, I can as well use this to obtain other sides, like b. If I'm to obtain b squared will be equal to c squared minus a squared. Meaning that if I'm to obtain b will be equal to square root of c squared minus a squared. Okay, what about a? If I'm to obtain side A now will also be c squared minus b squared. Assuming I need a, my a will be equal to the square root of c squared minus b squared. Okay, so what we're going to do next is that we will go on a short break, and as we return, we will use this to solve questions. So don't go too far, just get ready for the question segment.